Hi, my name is Hannah Kittle. I'm an outreach librarian at Athens County Public Libraries here in Athens County, Ohio. What I love most about this job is I love being able to meet people where they are. The ambiance of the flickering flame. I've not met someone who is not appreciative of what we do. A lot of these people really desperately need our services, and it's really cool just to be able to help them in that way. So the lockers are pretty loved and needed in these communities because they can't access the brick and mortars otherwise. It's just such a beautiful back roads. You get to see like all of Athens County and like the rural parts especially. So we're at the Amesville locker, which is actually the first locker that was placed in Athens County. We had a grant, and it still is one of the more popular ones. As you can see, it's one of the larger ones as well. People around here is just more limited transportation, right? I think like I said earlier. So they come here, their books will have already been checked in, which will notify them that their books are waiting at the locker for them. And then I come in and I assign each locker to each patron and put their books in. So when they scan their card, their locker will pop open for them. A lot of people really value these services, not even just for the accessibility. I've had parents talk about how the kids get really excited, especially just to get their book from a locker rather than the front desk at a branch. They also like the Dropbox feature right over there. They can drop off their books anytime, and I come and pick them up at every locker run. And there we have it. Accessibility doesn't stop at handicap spots. It needs to be us rooted in every part of the community.